welcome to our online class. Today is Tuesday. Every Tuesday we are going to study about the Listening Express 2 and the Hangout 5. In our first session, we will study the Listening Express 2. So now let's get started. In our last video, you studied on page 49, right? Okay, so today we will continue our page 49 by going to part B and part C. But before we start, let me review about some words that you studied from our videos. So everyone, as the 4 words that you studied from our last session, it was the word cancel. What is the meaning of the word cancel? Still, you remember the word cancel? What is cancel? If you cancel the plan, if you cancel the meeting, if you cancel the party, what happened? It means like that things are not existed. Also, that thing is not done. That thing is not happened. Okay? Because you decide not to make it happen. Get it, everyone? Very good. Next word, we have the word slippery. If something is slippery, just like shampoo, just like soap. If you go into the bathroom, you want to cut the soap. That soap is a kind of smooth and also wet. So we call it as slippery, right? Okay, next is we have the word thunder. Thunder is one of the natural things. And there is usually happened in the raining time. So when there is raining, you will hear the loud sound from the sky. So this is what we call thunder. So next is we have the word storm. What is storm, everyone? So storm is one of the natural disaster. It can harm to animals and to us as the people. So now let's read the word together. Cancel, slippery, thunder, and storm. Right? Correct, everyone. So now we move on to our page 49. It is about our part B and part C. In our part B, what you are going to do is you need to listen, write the letter and word for each picture by listening to our track 63. But before we get started with our exercise, teacher would like to give you the meaning of each word. Now, let's listen to me. The word stuck. What is stuck, everyone? If you say you are stuck in the traffic jam, it means like you cannot move your vehicle, such as your motorcycle or your car, to any places because you are getting stuck into the traffic jam. Okay? It means like you cannot move yourself. Get it, everyone? Now, next word, if we have the word icy. Icy is we refer to something cool, just like the ice cream, just like the drinks, Coca-Cola. So it's the kind of icy drink. Okay, next we have the word lightning. What is lightning? So lightning is the natural things that happened when there is raining. Okay, so you will hear the thunder and also you will see the lightning because 2 of them, they happened at the same time. Okay, so next word is we have the word accident. What is accident? Accident is something that you don't want it to happen. Accident you cannot predict. Another example is, have you ever heard about traffic accident? It might be the accident with a car crash. The motor hit each other. We have 4 words to complete, like the word stuck, icy, lightning, and accident. Now, let's listen to our track 63 together.
Words to know B. Listen. Write the letter and word for each picture.
A. The weather is so cold today. Look at how the ice covers the tree branches. B. The car drove into a tree. The road was slippery. Thankfully, the driver was not hurt. C. That cow can't move at all. It will need some help to get off that fence. D. These flashes of light are getting brighter. There must be a storm coming.
So now it's time to check about our answer together. So as what you can see in our first picture, it is what we call lightning. Okay, so number 2, everyone, what is it? As what you can see in our picture number 2, there is a cow and that cow cannot move himself. Okay, so this is what we call stuck. Stuck. So next word is number 3. Yeah, what is it, everyone? As what you can see, the car crashed the tree, right? Okay, so this is what we call accident. And the last one is, as what you can see, I think this is the snowy season. Okay, so this is what we call icy. Okay, just like what you see in our picture, number 4, the tree is frozen, right? Okay, everyone, now let's read the word with me together before we move on to our part C. So number 1, lightning. Number 2, stuck. Number 3, accident. And number 4 is icy. Good job, everyone. Okay, so now let's move on to our next section. It is about our section C. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So we have 4 words. The first one is accident, lightning, slippery, and icy. So these are the words that you know, right? Okay, so please spend some time to do our exercise together, and we will check the answers as well. Okay, are you ready? Now let's check the answer. Number 1, can you read together? Number 1, it's so hot today. I think I will have a drink to cool off, right? So for example, like the weather today is really hot, and then you think that if you have an ice cream, if you have the Coca-Cola, I think it will make you feel better, right? So this is the word accident, lightning, slippery, or icy. Yeah, it is icy, right? Icy. Good job, everyone. So now number 2, let's do it together, okay? With your book. 2, I didn't mean to break the window. It was I didn't mean to break. An accident. Correct. Number 3, I can't hold on the soap. The soap is a kind of wet and smooth. You cannot hold it. So it's slippery. Our next one is, did you see that bright flash of lightning? As we know that lightning is something that just like flash, like the flashlight in your phone, right? But it is too bright. Okay, one more thing that I want to tell you is when you read the word or the sentence with the first begin of the vowel like this, because this is the vowel sound, like I-C-Y, eyes. So you have to say, it's so hot today, I think I will have an icy drink. An icy drink. Everyone? Yes, so number 2, also like this. I didn't mean to break the window. It was an accident. An accident. Okay, so this is the end of our first session. See you in our next video.